Econos, tecnologie ambientali. Econos is able to offer an innovative technology for the economic management of hospital waste potentially infected. The advantages obtained by the introduction of the system Econos in health facilities are: elimination risk of the environmental contamination, reduce the transport costs and final disposal waste no dangerous, reduce the responsibility for the waste producer, manage in full safety condition for the operators, bureaucratic management easier, full management cycles disposal, staff training and environmental consulting. How the system Econos works. When the operator has been notified by a flashing light located on a control panel, he presses the button that opens the loading hatch and places the waste into the lift system. By this time, the operator has no further contact with the special waste. The subsequent treatment phases are carried out automatically. Then the waste loses their totally potential infectious. After a set time and an audible warning, the door closes and the basket conveys the waste into the shredder loading hopper. Special sensors allow the unity of the shredder to close hermetically, so it can begin the cycle. The system runs these phases in complete isolation from the surrounding environmental. The shredding phase finished when the loading hopper is empty. The waste, reduced in small pieces, is ready to be transferred in the sterilization chamber through an inclined cochlea. The material arrives at the mouth of the sterilization chamber, where the entrance is controlled by a guillotine valve, which interrupts the loading where the loading time set is finished. This way permits to keep separate the waste of the sterilization phase from the waste of the loading phase. The sterilization is the most important and delicate phase of the entire process. The heart of the system is a microwave chamber designed to execute the sterilization process thoroughly and safely. The cylindrical chamber where the process takes place is designed to ensure the distribution of the electricity field generated by the magnetrons, which had all the waste fit into the machine. The process begins with the steam that enters into the sterilization chamber. As soon as the steam pressure reaches temperature, the computer system automatically enables the function of the microwave. During the sterilization cycle, an internal agitation system continues to move the waste automatically, so the steam can reach every part of the waste. This system means that a vacuum does not have to be created before the steam is released, so the sterilization is ensured even if a steam-air mixture is present. The programmed activation allows to use the microwave generators in a consecutive manner and optimize the delivery of energy. The duration of earthing is variable and depends on the material introduced, which become the programmation of microwaves. The frequency produced by the generators is 2.45 GHz, a frequency chosen for its particular effect on water molecules. The extremity of the sterilization chamber are controlled by a valve-load guillotine and discharge door on the front side. Both closures guarantee a perfect seal to the pressure. At the end of the process, the discharge door opens, dropping the sterilized material into the cochlea, which conveys it to the exit. The sterilized waste is ready to be bagged and transported outside of the hospital, to be treated as solid urban waste. After a set time, the unloading cochlea stops, and the automatic winning system sends data to PLC that will transfer them to the printer. Before opening the sterilization chamber, it is necessary to come back to ambient pressure. The steam is discharged through a valve, which sends it to a condenser. Econos, tecnologie ambientali.